Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by uploading your video as private or unlisted so you can edit without publishing. Once uploaded, open YouTube Studio, go to Content, select the video and launch the editor. This is where you will attach the audio track. Next, click the Audio tab to browse YouTube audio library or use the Upload Audio button. Make sure the file format is supported and under platform limits. By starting here, you ensure your working copy is safe and editable before any public changes are made. Once the track is in the timeline, drag it to align with the moment you want sound to start. Precision matters for sync. Then trim and split clips to remove unwanted sections and add fade in or fade out for smoother transitions. These reduce harsh audio jumps. Make sure to lower music under dialogue. A common approach is reducing music by around 6 decibels when speech occurs. Also, if you need multiple layers, stack them and adjust each layer's volume so nothing clashes. To finish, preview the entire video and listen for level changes, pops, or sync drift. Make final trims and reapply fades where needed. Once satisfied, click Save or Export in the editor and choose your publish setting. If you keep it private, you can re-edit later. If audio disappears or is muted after saving, clear your browser cache, confirm the audio track is enabled on the timeline, and verify you have rights or the track is from YouTube's library. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.